So actually, according to the syllabus manifesto, I want to teach coordinate geometry. So before going to start about the coordinate geometry, two classes tomorrow, today, and the next session, I want to introduce logarithm. Why? Because if you study CBSE, then you never know about logarithm. Okay, so that's why if you are ICSE, okay, might you understood somewhat logarithm. I will explain the logarithmic part today and the day of next class, and after that we'll go to the coordinate geometry. So keep the heading called logarithm. THM logarithm, THEM not. THM logarithm. Yeah. See, first know about logarithm. Okay, can I start? Everyone
Yes,
be
sir.
alert. Everyone be alert. Okay. So actually, how the logarithm born and brought up, how a human being got an idea about a logarithm, how a human being got an idea about a logarithm. So it is the question like, if x bar 2 is equal to, if x bar 2 is equal to 5, is the point number one. Point number two, x is equal to 5 square, point number three, 2 power x is equal to 5. See, when you ask you to write an exponent, a power m is equal to b, how many alphabets are there? Like how many variables are there? See, that is called an exponent. A power m is equal to b. When I am writing a power m is equal to b, when I am writing a power m is equal to b, in that structure, a is called base, m is called power or index, and b is called its answer, exponent, suppose. So when I'm writing a power x is equal, a power m is equal to b, in that we have a three number of alphabets, a, m, b. In the first case, x is unknown, that a is unknown, remaining two numbers are the numbers. In the second case, b is unknown, remaining two are the numbers. In the third case, 2 power x is equal to like. Now, see, when I am asking x power 2 equal to 5, I gave x power 2 equal to 5. I am asking find x. When I am asking find x, this 2 will go that side. It will become 5 power 1 by 2. That is x is equal to root 5. In the same way, here I am asking what is x. Directly you can write 25. But here, when I am asking what is x here, how can you say that? If x is at the base level, okay, we can do it. If x is at the answer, we can do it. But here x is at the power. Here x is at the power. 2 power x is equal to 5. Then how come you will calculate x value? If I ask find x, how to calculate it? So many years, they said that there is no solution for that. So before so many years, they said there is no solution for this type of equations. After that, a great mathematician came and he introduced a new theory. If an exponent a power m is equal to b, if you want to calculate the m value, if you want to calculate the x value, then x is nothing but log 5 base 2. Therefore, log 5 base 2. Another example. I'm asking 3 power x is equal to 10. I'm asking 3 power x is equal to 10. Then I'm asking what is x? You should understand And my master is asking the power value. My master is asking the index value. So when I'm asking what is the index, then you should understand. That is only nothing but logarithm. It is denoted with log 10 base 3. I'm repeating again, sir. Here, this is the structure. Like this, it will be a power m equal to. If they gave, if when we are able, when we want to calculate this value, this power value, then the structure, the formula, the formata is called logarithm. That is nothing but x is equal to log 10 base 3. Oh, x is equal to log 10 base 3. In the same way, can anyone say this? X power 5 is equal to 10. What is the x value?
Log 5, 10.
Huh? So please speak out.
Sir, log 10, 10 to the
So,
Very good, very good, very good. 10 to the power of 1 by 5. Array, not, it is not in the power. It is not an exponent. So when I'm asking what is x, simply it is a 10 power 1 by 5. What is there in this? But when I am asking, here I'm writing with my green color. When I'm asking 5 power x is equal to 10, then if I'm asking x, then you should think, my master is asking power. So power can be log 10 base 5 is the thing. Okay, power can be log 10 base 5. That is the way we can calculate it, Baba. That is the way we can calculate it. Okay. So I'm fighting against you. What is a logarithm? And what are the contents I'm saying. Definition. If a power x is equal to b, then x is equal to log b base a. That is the definition of the logarithm. Example, 2 power x is equal to 6 implies x is equal to log 6 base 2. 3 power x is equal to 10. X is equal to log 10 base 3. These two examples are okay. But if I'm saying like that, x power 10 is x power 5 is equal to 6. If I say that x, once wait please. Once stay like that. Yeah, am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Working.
Yes, sir.
We lost the power. Yeah, right. Now it is fine. So whenever you are writing x power 5 is equal to 6, don't confuse that. Here we will not get any logarithm. Here we will not get any logarithm. it can be written as a x is equal to 6 power 1 by 5. That's enough. We will not get any logarithm here. Okay. We will not get any logarithm in this case. In the same way, the next one. So please copy this. Please copy this.
Done.
Very good.
Yes, sir,
Can
done.
you solve log 10 by 3 to a constant form?
Mhm. What?
Can you solve log 10 by 3?
We'll solve. We'll solve. We'll solve.
Constant.
Wait. We will solve. We will solve. Yes. The next question is completed, na?
Yes,
So
sir.
we have two logarithms. First one is note log under base c. One is thing log under base 10. Okay. There are the two logarithms we will study log under base c and the log under base 10. One is called natural logarithm. One is called common logarithm. So log base 10 base c. There's some number will be there. It's called natural logarithm. In the log something base 10, it's called what is it? Natural logarithm and okay, whatever the name. See, there are the two logarithm we'll study. One is a log under base 10 and the log under base e. These only we'll study at most. Now, some of the properties I'm saying, see, properties of logarithm. The first one, log AB base C. So the product is converted into log A plus log. How must a product is converted into addition? Proof I'm saying C. Proof I'm saying C. How can we prove that log AB base C is equal to? First consider log A base C is equal to M and the log B base C is equal to N. From this, what we can write? See, remember once. First, I'll write the properties. After that, I'll prove one by one. First, write the properties. Understand the properties. Don't copy it now. Please understand it. Nearly 6 or 7 properties I'll teach. Please understand. The first property is log AB base C equal to log A base C plus log B base C. Second one is log A by B base C is equal to log A base C minus log B base C. Third one, log A power M base C. A power M. In the power M is there. Log A power M is there. That power M will come down. M into log A base C. Log A power M base C, that power will come down. It will call it as a M into log A base C. If suppose log A B per M is there, means the power is there for the base, then it will become 1 by M into log A base B. I'm repeating again. If the power is there here, then this one will come like M into log A base B. If the power is there here, then it will come like a 1 by M into log A base C. One is M into log base C, another one is 1 by M into log A base C. And the fifth one, log A base B can be written as a log A base E by log B base C. Log A base B can be written as a log A base C by log B base C. Next, common influence, yes. Log 1 base anything is equal to 0. Log 1 value is 0. Sir, everything I'll prove. Everything I'll prove. Log A base A is equal to 1. When these two are equal, then its value is 1. Repeat it again. Log AB base C is equal to log A base C plus log B base C. Log A by B is equal to log A base C minus log B base C. Log A power m base C, m will come down, m into log A base C. Log A B power m, 1 by m into log A base B. Log A base B, log A base C by log B base C. Log 1, 0. Log A base A, 1. Okay. So now very important thing. Very important thing. A power log B base A. So when these two are equal, its value become B. 2 power log 3 base 2. You should understand. When these two are equal, its value is 3. Okay, when these two are equal, its value is 3. That's it. Please copy it. Now one by one I'll prove. Log AB base C equal to log A base C plus B base C. Please copy it.
Completed, sir. Done, sir.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Write fastly. Completed.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now we'll prove one by one property. Look at. First one. Log AB base C is equal to log A base C log B base. That's the thing. So when we are solving, first one I will do, second one you have to do. Third one I will do, fourth one you have to do. Like that will be. So first one, consider log A base C is equal to M. Log B base C is equal to N. Then A is equal to, that I didn't say. No? Right. One more thing I'm saying. See. So 2 power x is equal to 6. Can you say what is the x value?
6 to the power 1 by 2.
Hey.
6 to the base 2.
Under
The
log
log
under 6 to the base 2.
2.
Why? X power 1 by 2, the thing you are saying. When the power is a variable, then x is equal to log 6 base 2. So this is how we can convert an exponent to. So this is how we can convert an exponent to logarithm. How? If 2 power x is equal to 10 implies x is equal to log 10 base 2. There is another way why I will give the logarithm. You have to convert into exponential. Suppose I'll give logarithm is equal to log 10 base 2 is equal to x. Then how to convert into exponential, you know? How to convert into exponential, you know? 10 is equal to 2 power x. It should be like this. 10 is equal to 2 power x. Can anyone say this? Log 5 base 3 is equal to y. Then it is a logarithmic form, na? What is its exponential form?
3 to the power I equal to
5 is equal to, array, you should start this 5 is equal to t to the power of y. It should be like this. 5 power, it will go like that. 3 power y. Can anyone please? Log 10 base 2 equal to L, then exponential form.
10 equal to 2 to
10
the power
is
n.
equal to 2 to the power
Sir,
n.
10 equal to 2 to the L.
Please note that. I'll write it, see, like that night. NOTE note. NOTE note. If 2 power x is equal to 3 implies x is equal to log 3 base 2. Okay. And if log 5 base 3 is equal to x implies 5 is equal to 3 power x. 5 is equal to 3 power x. Please copy this. If log 10 base 6 equal to x, then you can write it, please. This one you can do it.
So 10 is equal to 6 to the power x.
Very good. Very good. 10 is equal to 6 power x.
Yes.
10 is equal to 6 power x is correct. One more question. If last one, log 2 base 3 is equal to x implies,
2 is equal to
2 is equal to 3 to the power x.
please
Two
write
is-
this. Please write this. Write note and write this. Completed. Completed means please let me know.
Yes, sir. Completed.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now the next one. This one we are doing. So when log a base c equal to m, then a is equal to e power m. We are converting in terms of e power m. And here also we can write b is equal to e power n. Now multiply both the things. ab is equal to e power m into e power n. Exponentials, you know, e power m into e power n is e power m plus n. E power m plus n. Now e power m plus n is equal to ab. This is exponential form. When I'm asking you to convert into logarithmic form, m plus n is equal to log ab base c. That is log ab base c is equal to m plus n. M is nothing but log a base c. N is nothing but log b base c. That's the thing. Okay, so that's proved. In the same way, I'm requesting you to prove this. Anyway, I will explain. First to copy that and try to prove the second one. Copy the first one, try to do the second one.
Proved, sir.
Yeah, very good.
The second one proved.
Very good. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I'm doing. If you note the second one, I'll do. If you need the second one, I'll do it. Have a look. We have to take the first one as a m. See the second board I will do. Second one I'm proving. Log a by b base c is equal to log a base c log b base c. So we should consider or suppose we'll write it's better word. Suppose log a base c is equal to m, log b base c is equal to n. So a is equal to e power m, b is equal to e power n. Now divide both the things. A by b, that is e power m by e power n, that is e power m minus n. What you got? E power m minus n is equal to a by b. Again write it logarithmic form. M minus n is equal to log a by b base c. That is log a by b base c is equal to m minus n. M is nothing but log a base c, n is nothing but log b base c. Please copy it.
Over, sir.
Yeah, very good. Complete it, make it fast. Yeah, next one. How many we did? First one, second one we did. This is we did, this we did. Now we'll do log a power m. Third one, log a power m base c is equal to m into log a base c. If anyone want to prove, just prove it. Afterwards, I'll start doing. Anyone is doing? The same way, try to do. So fourth one, try to do. What is the log a base a is equal to 1 by. 6. Yeah, have a look. So while we are doing this particular problem, we have to suppose log a base c is equal to some one letter. What letter will say? X. Now a is equal to e power x. A is equal to e power x. Now a power m on both sides. A power m is equal to e power m whole power. So, now taking m on both sides, a power m is equal to e power x whole power m. And we know the formula, a power m whole power m is equal to a power. That is a power m is equal to mx. Write it in the reverse order. M power x is equal to a power m. Now, what is the logarithmic form? X is equal to, what is the logarithmic form? X is equal to, once wait please. I wrote wrong. So now right here it is called e power mx is equal to a power m. Now logarithmic form mx is equal to log a power m base e. That is log a power m base e is equal to m into x value. X is log a base. So don't get confused. In today's class, you learned only two things. What is a logarithm? What is a logarithm? How we convert an exponential form into the logarithm and an logarithm into an exponential form. Only two things. How you can convert an exponential form into the logarithm and the logarithm into the exponential form. Nothing more than that. Yeah. Next one. So I'm not getting any response from your side. What happened? So this is very simple. See, log a base a equal to 1. Can anyone say a power 1 is equal to how much? A power 1 is equal to a. Try to convert in logarithmic form. In logarithmic form, 1 is equal to log a base a. Same thing. Another thing I proved, log 1 base 0 na. To prove this, something for 0. Am I audible? Yes, some network issue. I went out. So as before, I said natural logarithm is under base 10. Common logarithm is under base c. Please write those two. Natural logarithm means log under base 10. Some number under base 10 is a term number under base c. One is the natural logarithm, another one is the common logarithm. Now we are proving. I think you didn't remember. You didn't copy it. Log a base a is equal to 1. Log 1 base a equal to 0. When we are proving these two, log a base a equal to 1 and log 1 base a equal to 0, nothing special, Baba. In the solution, we know that a power 1 is equal to a. It is in exponential form. When you are writing in the logarithmic form, it is in logarithmic form. 1 is equal to log a base a. In the same way, when I'm solving this solution, yeah, someone is saying something.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, that natural log is base E.
Natural is base c.
10.
Yeah. Please change it. Natural logarithm is under base c. Common is under base 10. Now, so when I said log 1 base a equal to 0, how to prove this? Array, we know that a power 0 equal to 1. Anything power 0 equal to 1, we know that. Now when we are writing into the logarithmic form, 0 is equal to log 1 base a. That only we said. Okay. Please copy these two. And after that, we'll go to the next step. Nature of logarithm will go.
Completed, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
One property of logarithm, I'll say, see, one property of logarithm. So, one property of the logarithm is please do remember, my dear students, this help you a lot. What the theory I'm discussing now, this help you a lot. So whenever you are talking about logarithm under base c, natural logarithm, so if log is not defined for negative numbers, so log of negative numbers not defined. So these numbers are not defined. Look at where my cursor is moving. These numbers are not defined. And log 0 is also not defined. Log 0 is also not defined. Now it starts from, it's a 1, it's a 2, it's a 3, it's a 4, -1, -2, -3. So log is not defined at defined here, not defined here, not defined here. Log starts defined from 0. Log starts defined from 0. Remember one thing, from 0 to 1, 0 to 1 means after 0. In between 0 and 1, log will give negative values. That means log 0.3 is negative. Log 0.6 is negative. These numbers are negative. And log 1 value is 0. We know that. Log 1 is equal to 0. Now, after that, after 1, it will become positive. See, I'm writing here, see the points. I'm writing here, see the points. Log is not defined for negative numbers. First point. About log under base C. First point. Log is not defined for negative numbers. Example, log -3 base C, log -1.3 base C, log -0.2 base C are not defined, etc. We should write. And the number 2. Number 2 is log 0 under base is not defined. Log 0 is not defined. Third one. Log is log x base is negative if x lies between 0 and 1. That's one thing. In between 0 to 1, it will give negative values. Example. If you need example, log 0.3 base C, comma, log 0.6 base C, log 0.9 base C, etc. are negative. The fourth one. The second one. It's a fourth one. Log x base E is log 1 kada. Log 1 base E is 0. Fifth one. Log x base E is positive if x lies between 1 to infinity. X lies between 1 to infinity, or if x is greater than 1. It's better. If x is greater than 1. That's the thing. So using this scenario, how to draw the graph, you know. So this is x-axis and the y-axis. When you are trying to draw the graph, it's a 0, 1, 2, 3. Its graph is like this, and it will go like that. And it will go to infinity like this. And this is a graph under base E. Or it is logarithm under this value if this value lies between greater than 1. If this value is greater than 1. Okay, please do copy it. Please do copy it. Still, so much thing is there to talk. First copy it. Next, I'll go to the next one. So this theory, yeah, this theory, or it is log under base x where x is greater than 1. Same theory. Completed. Neatly write down this. Don't get.
Yes, sir. Completed.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So can you turn the graph page after all writing?
I'll show it. I'll show it. I'll show it. Completed.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Please do the graph. Completed.
Completed, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good. Now, so please say answers to my questions. First question is, please try to give answers to my questions. The first question, log 6 base e, positive or negative? I want just positive or negative.
Sir. Positive.
Log 6 base e, positive or negative?
Positive, sir.
Positive.
Positive, sir.
Sir,
Log,
positive.
log 6.5 base e,
Yes, sir. Positive.
log minus 2.3,
Negative, sir.
Negative.
not
Negative.
defined. Not defined. Not defined. Log negative numbers not defined. Log negative
Yes,
numbers
sir.
not defined.
Yes, sir.
Log 0.3 base e,
Negative.
very good.
Not defined.
Array, log 0.3 lies between 1 and 2 na. 0.3 is here. Here it is negative na.
So between 0.1.
Array, between 0 and 1 it is negative ra bhai.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Log 1.3 positive or negative under base C.
Positive.
Sir, positive.
Please be with this theory, and tomorrow in the next session we'll be with the next theory. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.